Google Classroom, how to turn off teacher notifications. So if you're a teacher and you have lots of Google Classrooms, or maybe you're part of different classrooms and you're getting a lot of email notifications, how do you turn those off? Or how do you get only the ones that you want? What you need to do is go up to the main menu, the 3 bars, sometimes we call them the hamburger, click on it and scroll all the way to the bottom under settings where the cog is. Click on it. Here I'll have my profile and I'm allowing email notifications. And these are the classes I'm enrolled in, but I'm going to go farther down so it says class notifications. So I want to be specific with my different classes. So if I click on the drop-down menu, I get all the classes that I have in Google Classroom. So if I am a teacher here, but I'm only a co-teacher or a support teacher, I don't want email notifications every time a student sends in a late assignment or something like that, I can click on there and now it's turned off. I won't get any notifications. So blue towards the right means they're turned off. And like right here, grade 5, pardon me, I'm a teacher there, but I don't want all those notifications because I don't have to mark that. That's the other teacher's job. So I leave it turned off. So if I have it turned on and I have another teacher in there and they're posting, yes, I will get notifications. Turned off, you won't receive those notifications. And there is no save button. So you can go back to the main menu, click on the class you want, and you're good to go.